Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about numerical based on our chapter heat. The exercise numericals we are going to take in this video module. See students, our first numerical is that is equal heat is given to two objects A and B of mass 1 gram. The temperature of A increased by 3 degrees Celsius and B by 5 degrees Celsius. Which object has more specific heat capacity? As we can see over here, the specific heat capacity, we are able to see A has 3 and B has 5, which means A can acquire a temperature near about to 3 degrees Celsius, which has an intake capacity of 2 degrees Celsius up to 5 degree. Okay, let it be. We'll just calculate this calculation first. We'll do the calculation. See students, whenever numerical is given at that time, firstly you have to write down given data. Okay, what is meant by given data? So given data is nothing but the quantity which we have get in the numerical. Here two systems are given, A and B, where masses are equal, that is 1 gram. Means mass of A system is equal to mass of B system, which equal to 1 gram. Okay students, next, temperature of A increased. Temperature of A increased by 3 degrees Celsius, means delta temperature of A is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. As the same, delta temperature of B is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. How? It is given by B by 5 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find out, that is whether Ca upon Cb, that we have to find out. Okay, what we have to find out over here students? We have to find out capacity of A divided by capacity of B. Okay, this is equal to question mark. Now specific heat of A. Specific heat of A. Is equal to mass of A into specific heat capacity of A into temperature of A system. Same that we have taken for QA is equal to, mass is given, here you can see the mass, that is 1. So I have taken here 1 into specific heat capacity, which is always constant because both are made by the same similar one. Temperature, that is 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius, as we can calculate over here. So now specific heat capacity B is equal to mass of B, specific heat capacity of B into temperature of B. When we multiply this, so we got mass of B is again 1, C of B into 5. We have taken here two equations, that is first one and second one. In that we know very well, that is Q of A is equal to Q of B. And specific heat capacity of A is equal to specific heat capacity of B, which is given. We'll have to fill this value with respect to this one. Means Q of A we have taken from here, that is 1 into Ca becomes Ca, Ca into 3. So here we are going to write down Ca into 3 equal to Cb into 5. Why so? 1 into Cb, Cb, Cb into 5, Cb into 5. So that's the reason Cb we have taken. This Cb is in multiplication. When we put toward the left hand side, goes in division. So that's the reason our equation becomes Ca upon Cb equal to, this 5 is in multiplication, keeps upside, 3 goes downside. Okay, so now object A has the specific heat capacity up to 5, while B has the specific heat capacity up to 3, which can clearly instruct that object A has more specific heat capacity. Okay, result you have to write down in result, that equation you have to write down. Okay students, this is what first numerical. Now the second numerical. liquid ammonia is used in an ice factory for making ice from water. If water at 20 degrees Celsius is to be converted into 2 kg of ice at 0 degree, how many grams of ammonia are to be evaporated? Given is there, given latent heat of vaporization of ammonia is 341 calorie per gram. As we have earlier discussed, whenever the numerical is given, at that time first we have to write down here given data. So given data, what quantity are given? See, mass of water is given, that is 2 kg, which we have to convert it into gram. So 2 kg multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000 gram. Why so we have taken gram? Because specific it is given in gram. So that's the reason, and the equation also asking our answer in gram. So that's the reason we have taken in gram only. Okay students, now temperature is given. Delta T is given, that is equal to 20. So 20 minus 0, which means 20 only, 20 degrees Celsius. Latent heat of vaporization of ammonia is equal to 341 calorie per gram. Okay students, now specific heat capacity of water is equal to 1. That we have seen, that is 1 calorie per gram per centigrade. What we have to find out in this? We have to find out mass of ammonia. That how much gram of ammonia we needed to find out or identify our answer. See students, now as you can see over here, now what we have to do is we have to energy released by water. Energy release by water is equal to mass of water into specific heat capacity into change in temperature, that is delta T. Okay students, now when we have to add the quantity in it, mass is given, that is 2000 gram, as we can see over here. So put it the value over here, 2000 into specific heat capacity, that is 1, into change in temperature, that is 20 minus 0, which means 20 only. So here we got the equation, that is 2000 in bracket 20 minus 0. Okay, make it equation first. Now energy gained by liquid ammonia, this is what energy released by water. Now energy gain by ammonia is equal to, the product is mass of ammonia into latent heat of ammonia. Mass of ammonia into latent heat of ammonia. Okay students, now mass of ammonia into latent heat is given. So there is a mass of ammonia into that double M I have taken here to indicate ammonia into specific latent heat is given, that is 341. Now by principle of heat exchange, heat gained by object is equal to heat released by object. Okay, heat gain is equal to heat release. Now what amount of heat is gained here? That is 2000, which is earlier we have seen over here, that is 2000 into 20. So I have taken here 2000 into 20 is equal to mass of ammonia into 341. When we put this value toward this side, so mass of ammonia is equal to 2000 into 20 divided by 341. When you do the calculation, you get the answer, that is 586.4 gram. 586.4 gram. This is what the mass of ammonia. Now in result, what you have to going to write down, 586.4 gram of ammonia is required for making ice. For making ice from water. Okay, students? Remaining two numericals you have to solve and comment the answer in the comment box which is given below. If you have any doubt, so don't forget to ask in the comment box. Otherwise, subscribe, like, share and leave a comment whatever your comment is. Thanks.